The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto 12.3-inch touchscreen multimedia radio receiver is a modern upgrade from Mercedes-Benz GLA, CLA, GLC, GLK, ML, W205, W176, and C117 models. It combines advanced features with full compatibility with the car's original system, making it an excellent choice for enhancing the driving experience. This multimedia receiver preserves the original functionality of the car, including the radio, amplifier, joystick controls, rear-view camera, and reverse display. It also provides real-time information such as speed, fuel level, oil pressure, and safety warnings without altering the vehicle's control software or features. The device features a stunning 12.3-inch high-definition LED touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 720. The display offers a crystal-clear and immersive viewing experience while seamlessly integrating into the car's interior. Additionally, the screen supports media projection, enabling users to view photos and videos in high quality directly on the display. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing access to navigation, calls, music, and apps for a connected and convenient experience. Voice assistant support for Siri and Google Assistant allows drivers to operate features hands-free for enhanced safety and ease of use. With its plug-and-play installation, the receiver does not require any changes to the car's wiring or setup. This makes it a simple yet powerful solution for upgrading the car's multimedia system while maintaining all original functionalities. It is an ideal choice for those seeking a modern and user-friendly in-car entertainment system.